Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn which subject? Maths. And our lesson number 10, subtraction. Lesson number 10, subtraction. Lesson number 10, subtraction. So what do you mean by subtraction, children? So we have learned count and write, and we have solved the object, means we have to cancel it the object, how much it is remain, we have to count that and we have to write the answer. Yes, now we are going to learn in this lesson how to solve the sums. And borrowing lessons also we are going to learn. Okay, shall we start? Yes. So subtraction means take away object. Subtraction means take away object. The answer which remains after subtraction is called difference. Now here, for example, I have drawn here some object. Okay, what is this? What is this, children? Apple. Apple is a red color. So how many apples are there here, children? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many apples are there? 4 apples are there. Okay. So here I have written in number also. 4 minus 2. So from this, out of this 4 apple, how much we have to? How much you have ate? Mama has gave you 4 apples. Out of these 4 apples, how much apples you have ate? 2 apples. So how you have to cancel it? You have to cancel it 1, 2. So how much is remain, children? 1, 2. So 2 apples have remained. So we have to draw here 2 apples. Yes, we have to draw here 2 apples. And how many apples we have? We have minus 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. Now next, minus is the symbol of the subtraction. So what is the symbol of subtraction, children? Minus. This is the minus sign. We have learned plus sign. No? How our plus sign will be like this. Yes. Next, this one is which one? This one is which symbol? This is subtraction. What we call this symbol? Minus. What we call this symbol as? Minus symbol. Okay, children. Next, another example. What is this, children? This is so next example is how many, what is this? What is this object, children? Leaves. What is this object? Leaves. So how many leaves are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these 6 leaves you have collected to stick in your notebook. Yes, to stick in your notebook. So how many leaves you have stick, children? 2 leaves. So 1, 2. 2 leaves you have sticked in a notebook. So how many are remain now? How much is left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how much is left, children? 4. Still 4 more leaves you have to stick in your notebook. Okay, children. So this is the method of subtraction. So subtraction means what, children? Take away object, means total how much apples are there, children? 4 apples. So how much we have ate? We have ate 2 apples. So how much is remain, children? How much is remain? 2 apples. 2 apples are remain. So what do you mean by subtraction? Taking away from the object is called subtraction. Next, the answer which remains after subtraction is called difference. After we take away this object, so how much is remain? The remaining answers are called what, children? difference. It's called what? Difference. Okay. Next, what is this symbol called? This symbol called minus. What is this symbol called, children? Minus. Okay. Next, we'll learn about the zero property. Next, what we will learn, children? Zero property. Okay. What we learn? Zero property. Zero property now. When zero is subtracted from a number, the difference is number itself. When you subtract, now for example, here we'll take leaves example. Okay. So 6 leaves were there. Okay. Out of these 6 leaves, now I'll make. So out of 6 minus 0. Now here how many leaves are here? 6. But what we have to do? We don't want to stick any pictures into the notebook. Yes, no children. So what will be the remaining? The remaining will be the same itself. Same number will be the remaining answers. Okay. So what you have to write? As it is 6, you have to write in this. Okay. So another example, children. For example, your mama, she gave you how many dosas? 4 dosas she gives you in a tiffin. Yes, 4 dosa, 4 idli she has gave you the tiffin. But you can't able to eat because why? Because stomach was upset, so you can't able to eat. So once then you reached at home, what mama she asked? How many dosas you had? Then what you will answer? I didn't eat anything. All dosas, how many dosa you can? At that much, same as it is, dosas are there. Yes, no? So if you won't eat that 4 dosas means how much left? Say 4 dosas are left. That is 4 minus 0 is 4. When you are subtracting any number by 0 or 0 from any number, the number will be itself. The number will be itself. Okay, children. See, write the difference. Now we'll see we'll solve some exercises. Okay. So here of zero property. So here, children, 1 minus 0 from your for example, you got 1 chocolate from father. Okay, and what father he said, don't eat now, you eat later on. But you didn't eat. So how much will be left? You will be left the same 1 chocolate only. Yes, no children. So 0. So any number you subtract by 0, the number will be same. Yes. So the number will be same. So 1 minus 0 is 1. Next 2 minus 0. So you got 2 pencils. From these 2 pencils, your friend is asking you, if you have 2 pencils means give me 1. But you are not giving pencils to your friend. Yes, you are not sharing your pencils. So how many will be left? Same 2 pencils will be left. So 2 minus 0 is 2. 0 is nothing but 0 has not numbers. Okay, it is the empty number, means it is not a valuable number. Okay. Next, 10 minus 0 is 0 only. Yes, no children? 0. Next, 8 minus 0. You got 10. So 10 minus 0 is how much, children? 10. As it is number you have to write. If you get the sums like this, means 8 minus 0 is the same number 8. Okay, next 9 minus 0 is 9. 6 minus 0 is 6. 5 minus 0 is 5. So have you all understood, children, the zero property? Zero property means what? When 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is number itself. When you are subtracting any number from 0 by 0, so you will get the answer same number only. Okay children, is it very easy? Yes. So we'll solve still more other properties. Next, I hope you all have understood the definitions and the examples of subtraction and even the zero, the property of zero property you all have understood. Next, we'll go for our exercise. We are going to solve the subtraction sum. Okay children, let's start. Yes. So here, how many units are there? Sorry, how many digits are there? 2-digit numbers are there. What are they? Ones and tens. Two places are given. What are they? Ones place and tens place. Ones place and tens place. And 2-digit numbers we are going to solve. Okay children, let's start. Yes. So always while starting solving the sums, you have to first go to the right hand side, that is ones place. First you have to solve. First you have to solve ones place number. Okay, 6 minus 2. So 6 minus 2, how much children? For addition, what we used to say, 6 in the mind, 2 on the finger. Always we take 6 bigger number in the mind and smaller number in our finger. Yes, but now here we have to take away the numbers. We have to reduce the numbers. So what we have to start counting from the smaller number. Okay, till the number 6 comes. 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how much children? How much? 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. Next, 5 minus 3. So 6 minus 2 is how much children? 4. So from out of this 6 we have subtracted 2. So after 2 we have to start counting. After 2, 3. From the backward number you have to count it. Okay. 6. We have to start counting 6 backward number. 5, 4, 3, 2. 5, 4, 3, 2. So how much you got? 4. Okay, you can count like this also, or you can draw the objects also. Okay children, see the objects also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 balls you all have drawn. Out of these 6, how much ball you have to take away? How much ball? 2. 1, 2. So 2 balls you have reduced. You have thrown. Okay. So how much is balance? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how much? 4. So 6 minus 2 is how much children? 4. 5 minus 3. Now 5 minus 3 you have to start counting the backward number. Before 5, before number is what children? 4, 5 is there. Okay. 5 before number. So how much you have to cancel it? 3. 3, 1, 2, 3. So you have, how much you have reduced? 3 fingers you have reduced. So how much is balance children? 2 fingers are balanced. 5 minus 3 is how much? 2. Okay. Next, 8 minus 0, as we have done in the 0, which property? 0 property. Yes children. So 8 minus 0 is how much children? 8 chocolate you have, and you didn't add that 8 chocolate also. So how much will be left? Same 8 chocolate will be left. Same 8 chocolate will be left. Okay, next here 8 minus 8. From you have 8 chocolate. Out of that 8 chocolate you have distributed to your friends. Okay. So how much will be left? Is there anything is left in your hand? Nothing. So 8 minus 8 is how much, children? 0. So you have to write here 0. Okay. So if any number you are subtracting to the same number, the number will be 0. Okay, children? The number will be 0. Next. 4 minus 4. Same, children. From 4 chocolate mama gives you, and you gave that 4 chocolate to your sister. 4 chocolate. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chocolate were there, and that 4 chocolate also you gave it to your sister. So how much is left with you? Nothing is left, no, children. So what is that? 0. So 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 4 is what? 0. Okay, next 9 minus 4. So 9 chocolate you have, 9 ice creams you have. Okay, so 9 out of that 9 ice cream you gave 4 to your brother. Okay, 4 to your brother. So how much is left, children? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how much is left, children? 5 ice creams are left. So how much you have to write here? 5. Here 6 minus 0. So 6 minus is 0. What, children? Any number you subtract by 0 means you get the number same. So you have to write 6. Now 6 minus 3. So keep your 6 fingers, children. 6 are there. So how much you have to cancel? 3. So you have 6 chocolate. From this 6 chocolate, 3 chocolate you ate. See, 1, 2, 3. 3 chocolate you ate means how much is left? 3. So 3 chocolate is left again. Next 8 minus 3. So 8. Take your finger 8. So how much, children, you have to cancel it? 3. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 you have cancelled. So how much is balance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much is left over out of 8? We have cancelled 3. So how much is left, children? 5 is left. Okay. So we got answer. Next is 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. Okay, so 9 minus 6. So how many fingers you have to take? 9 fingers. From these 9 fingers, how much we have to reduce? 6. So 9 fingers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are there. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 are there. So how much we have to reduce? 1 we have reduced. So how much is balance, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how much fingers you have to take, children? 9. So how much you have to reduce? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 we have reduced. Yes, we have covered 6 fingers. So how much is left now? 1, 2, 3. So how much is left? 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. So 4 minus 0 is how much, children? 4 minus 0 is how much? 4. So you have to write 4. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. So 5, what we say? 5 idlis are with you. 5 idlis are with you. What mama says, at least you have to finish 2 idlis. So how much you will finish? 1, 2. 2 idlis we ate. Now how much is balance, children? 1, 2, 3. 3 are balanced. So 3 idlis are left. Yes. Next. Next, see 5 minus 4. Where is 5? 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 now. Okay, so how much is this? Take your 5 fingers, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers. So out of these 5 fingers, what happened? You have to take over 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers you take away. You took. Okay. So how much is balance? 1 is balance. So 1. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. So 7 biscuits are with you. Cream biscuits. 7 cream biscuits are with you. What mama said? Eat only 3 biscuits, child. After remaining you eat later on, like that. Yes? So 7 minus 3. So 7 are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 biscuits with you. So how much you have to eat? 1, 2, 3. How much? 1, 2, 3. 3 biscuits you ate. So how much is left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 biscuits are left with you now. Yes? Next, 7 minus 2. Take 7 fingers, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Now out of this, how much you have to take away? 2. 1, 2. 2 we took. Yes, so we have closed our 2 fingers. So how much is left now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much is left, children? 5 fingers. We have to write here 5. Okay. So subtraction means what, children? Take away object and what is remaining. Take away object and what is remaining. That answer we have to write. And I have given to the example of 6 balls. And out of the 6 balls, how many numbers are given here? 2. So we have total number 6. And how much you have to subtract the number? Which number is given? 2. So you have to subtract 6 minus 2. Which number are given down? You have to subtract by that number only. After that you have to count those balls and you have to write here. Have you all understood, children? Yes. Next is subtraction with borrowing. Subtraction with borrowing. Now here we have subtracted by taking away the object and we got the answer here. But here how is this sums is see here the bigger number was up and we subtracted by smaller number. But here smaller number are given and bigger number we have to subtract it by 3. Yes, so it is very difficult, no, children, but it is very easy. Okay, so we will subtract it. First, how many digits are there? 2 digit number. Always while subtracting, which number we have to take? From 1's place we have to subtract. Okay. Now here, which number is here, children? 3. 3 is, so how many 3 are there in ones? Only 1 3's are there. And here in the tens place, which number? 5 are there. So for example, while coming, when teachers start teaching the lesson, what happens? You didn't have the pencil to note down the classwork. Yes, so what you are asking, you are borrowing 1 pencil with your friends. 1 pencil with your friends. Yes, no, children. What you are asking? If you have 2 pencils, give it to me. 1. No, I'll give you later on. I'll give it back to you. Like that you are saying, no. So what your friends he is doing? They give you 1 pencil. Same here also. The small number is very small. So we have to borrow from the another number. We have to borrow 1 from the another number. Okay. So we have to cancel 3. First we have to cancel this 5. We have to borrow 1. We have to borrow 1 from this from the 5 to make this 3 has a bigger number. Okay, so if we take 1 from the tens place means how much, children? Tens means what? 10. Yes, so 1 10 we have borrowed to the ones place. So how much will be? 13. So how much? 13 become as 30. So 3 has become 30. 13 minus 5 is how much, children? After, so you have to count it from down. This will count it from the down. 5, no? After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Until this number comes, you have to count. How many fingers are there now? We subtracted which number? 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is how much, children? 8. We counted and we wrote number 8. Okay, now we took 1 from the tens place to borrow the number. Okay, so this we have cancelled this 5 and we got number 4. 5 minus 4 is how much, children? 5 minus 1 is how much, children? 4, no? Because we have took 1 from the 5, we took 1 number. Okay, so this 5 has become 4. So 4 from this 4, how much we have to reduce, children? 1. So if we have cancelled, we have take away 1. So how much will be balance? 1, 2, 3. 3 will be left. Yes, so 3 will be left. We got this answer. Next is how much? Which number is this? 2. In ones place, how many ones are there? 2 ones are there, children. 2 ones are there. Minus 4. By which number we have to subtract? 4. Yes, so we can subtract 2 minus 4. No, what we have to do? Again we have to borrow. Again we are going to borrow 1 to the ones place. We are going to borrow 1. Okay, if we borrow 1 plus 2, 10 plus 2. If we have borrowed 1 from the tens place means 10 plus 2 is how much, children? 12. We got 12. So we are going to cancel this 2 and write it here 12. Okay, cancel and write it here 12. Okay. Okay. So we have to write here 12 because we have to 1 tens to borrow. So we got 12 here. 12 minus 4 is how much, children? We'll start counting from 4. Okay, 4, 5, 6. After 4 you have to count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how much finger are there? 8 fingers. So 12 minus 4 is how much, children? 8. 12 minus 4 is 8. Okay, now we have borrowed 1. So we have to this got reduced and we got 6. Okay. 6 minus 2 is how much, children? Take 6 number, 6 fingers. 6 from this 6 fingers, how much we have to reduce? 2. 1, 2. So how many fingers are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many? 4 are there. Okay, children. Next. Now here, which number is here? 0 is there. So we can subtract it? No. So what we have to do? 0 minus 2. We can't able to subtract. So we have to cancel it. This. We have to borrow 1. This become as 10. Why? Because here 0. If any number are there, we can write it 10 plus 2, that is 12. We can write 12, or if in this place 3 or 4 any number are there, we can write as a 14, 15 number. But here, what is here children? 0 is there. So 0, if we borrow 1 to the tens, from the tens place to ones means we have to write here 10. Because why? 0 is there. So we have to take 10 number. Okay, now 10 minus 2. From the 10, take fingers 10. From this 10, we have subtracted 1, 2. 2 fingers, 2 numbers. 10 minus 2. So how much is left children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how much children? 8 are, 9 are, sorry 7 are left. Okay. 8 are left. Okay. So how much? 8 are left. Next we have borrow 1 means 6 will become as 5. 6. Okay, 6 will become as 5 because we have borrowed 1 means the number will become less. 6 minus 1 is how much children? 6 minus 1 is 5. So we gave 1 chocolate to the neighbor person. No? So with us, how much will be left? 5. So now from the 5, how much? 5. From the 5 finger, how many fingers you have to take away? 1 finger. Now how much is left children? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is left. So you have to write 4. Okay, so how much? 4. Next here, how many, which number are here children? Which number is there? 5. 5 minus 9. 5 minus 9. We can subtract by smaller number. No. What we have to do? We have to borrow. We are going to borrow from the neighbor house. Okay. So what happens? This 6 become as 5 and we get 15. We get 15. Yes, so 15 minus 9 is how much children? 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how much is left children? 6. So 5 minus 4 is how much? From the 5 chocolate you had 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chocolate you had and how much is left? 1 is left. Okay children. So this is the borrowing sums. Okay. So borrowing means what? We have to borrow 1. We have to borrow 1. If we have very small, we have less things means we have to borrow 1 from the neighbor number. That is, we have to borrow from the neighbor. Okay, so same we have done here. We have borrowed 1 tens to make this number bigger. To make this number bigger, we have borrowed and we have subtracted the sums. Okay, children. So practice it twice and thrice in your home and in your rough note also. Okay. So I hope you all have one. We have solved subtraction without borrowing and subtraction with borrowing. Yes children, now we will solve subtract using abacus. You all know the abacus children? Like this the abacus will be. So with the help of abacus we are going to subtract. Okay, now here are the question. 6 minus 2 and we have drawn the abacus also and I have placed and I have named the units or these digits also. Tens place and ones place. Okay. Now in the tens place there is nothing. Why? Because here is a single digit. 6 minus 6 is a single digit. Okay. So in the ones place, how many bits are placed children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So out of this 6, how much we have to remove children? 2. So how much? 2. So we'll remove 2 bits. 1, 2. 2 bits we have removed. So out of this 6 bits we remove 2 bits. So how much will be left in the ones place, children? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how much is left? 4 bits are left in ones place. So you have to write here 4 in the box. You have to write 4. Okay. Next, 65 minus 4. 65 minus 4. So I have placed how much bits are there in the tens place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are there. 6 bits are there in the tens place. What is that? 6 tens is nothing but 60. Nothing but 60. Okay. Now in the ones place, how many bits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. That means I have to see this 0 is, this 5 is in ones place and 6 in the tens place. 65. 6 is 5 in the ones place and 6 in the tens place. Okay. So 6 in the tens place. So the 6 bits are there. No, 6 bits have placed in which place? Tens place, and 5 has placed in the ones place. 5 has placed in the ones place. Yes. So out of this 65 minus 4. So 65 is there. So how much bits we have to remove? 4 bits. So how much will remove? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 bits we have removed. Yes. So how much will be the balance? 61. So 61. See, 5 is there. 5 minus 4. We have to subtract only this one. 5 minus 4. 5 bits are there. We have to remove 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 we have removed. So how much is balance? 1. 61. Okay, children, have you all understood? We have solved same like the subtraction definition we have solved. No, same like that only with the help of the abacus we have solved this. Okay, children, you have to practice in your rough note twice and thrice time. Okay, then only you will be understanding this concept. Next we will go for the word problem. Okay, Anil had 48 marbles. Anil had 48 marbles. He lost 32 marbles. Anil, the boy name is Anil, and what he had, he has marbles with him. How many marbles, children? 48 marbles he has. 48 marbles. And what happened? He lost 32 marbles. He lost 32 marbles. Now what we have to find out? How many marbles are left with him? Okay, we'll see. What you have to write here? Number of marbles. Number of marbles with Anil. How much he has? 48. Okay, and number of marbles he lost. Number of marbles he lost. How much he lost, children? 32. So what we have to write here? We have to subtract. So don't forget to put minus sign. Okay, and last what you have to write? Left with him. Or you can write marbles left him. Number of marbles left with him. Number of marbles left. Okay, now so what is here? 48. How many marbles were there? 48 total. 48 marbles were there. Now, so how much he has lost? 32 marbles he lost. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to subtract here. So first, which number we have to subtract? 8 minus 2. So 8. Take 8 fingers, and how much? 2 is there. So 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 we have closed. We took 2. Okay, so how much is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Next, 4. 4 minus 3. So take 4 fingers. 4 is there. How much number we have to reduce? 3. 1, 2, 3. So how much is left, children? 1. Okay. So how many marbles are there now? Total for 16 marbles are there. So what we have to write here? Therefore 16 marbles are left with him. Okay, so he lost how many marbles? 32 marbles. So if we subtract 48 minus 32, we get answer 16. And so how much after losing 32 marbles, how much is left with him? 16 marbles are left with him. Okay, next. Question number 2. Second word problem. Arvind scored 88 marks in maths exam. So what? How much marks Arvind has scored? Arvind has scored 88 marks. Arvind scored 88 marks in which subject, children? In maths subject. Okay, and Raju, and here another boy, Raju. Raju scored 73 marks in the same exam, that is in the same maths exam only. Now how many marks did Arvind score than Raju in exam? So what we have to find out the answer? How many more, means how much more marks Arvind has scored than Raju? That we have to find out now. Okay. So what you will write? Number of marks scored.
By Arvind.
So Arvind, how much Arvind has scored? Arvind scored. How much Arvind scored? 88. 88 marks in maths. Okay, next, how much Raju scored? Raju scored how much, children? 73. Raju scored 73 in maths. So what we have to do? We have to subtract it now. Next. What we have to write here? Arvind scored, then Raju in exam. Okay. Now how much he has scored? He has scored more marks than Raju or less marks than Raju? That we have to find out the answers now. Okay. So 88 minus 73. So you have to write here ones and tens here. Okay. Before solving, you have to write tens and ones. Okay. Next. So 8 is there. So take 8 fingers and how much? 3. So you have to reduce. How much you have to take away? 3. 3 you have to take away. So how much is left, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. 5 you have to write here. Next 8 minus 7. So again take 8. How much we have to take away? 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how much is left, children? 1. So 15 marks. So how many marks did Arvind scored? Then Raju in exam 15 marks he has scored. 15 marks more Arvind has scored. Okay. Like this you have to solve it. Have you all understood, children? I hope you all have understood the subtraction lesson. Once again, practice it at your home in the rough note twice and thrice time. Okay. So I'll come with another lesson. Thank you.